Hello, I'm James Pettis and I will be showing you how Feedly works and how it can be very useful for you. Feedly compiles newsfeed from a variety of online sources for the user to customize, view, and share. As you can see, over in the left column I have a feed labeled Social Media Marketing. Now this is my professional feed, but what I'm going to be showing you is how to create your own feed of whatever you want. In my case, this is going to be about soccer. So I'm going to type in soccer. Now what's going to come up is these are all feeds that you can follow. Now I'm going to hit follow, new feed, I'm going to name it soccer feed, create, and then I'm going to hit follow again, add, and then BBC Sports is added. So that's the first one. We're going to add 4 more. We're going to add Sky Sports, add, that's 2. We will be adding ESPN, that's 3. We will be adding Stars and Stripes. And then for one more, we will be adding FIFA 2018 World Cup. So now I'm going to be showing you an article from one of these, and I will be adding it. So we're going to click on this one. And then, so basically, after I read this article, it was, I'm not the biggest fan, but if you know soccer, you know who John Terry is. He's a legendary player. He's played for many years. He's a phenomenal player. He's done some questionable things in his career, but nobody can deny his skill and that he's a legend. Now, this was really nice to see because he's out of a job right now. He doesn't have a team. So Chelsea Goss opened a role for Terry, which I thought it was really a great move on his part. I like this article because it was so easy to read, it was well written, and I could relate to it because I know the sport. So we will be adding this to my Save Later folder. So now I can read it whenever I want. It's going to be right down here in this folder right here. So that's Feedly, that's how it works. I hope this video was useful for you, and I hope to see you on this website soon.